Binance Alpha has launched a trading competition focused on the Solstice token, which is listed under the ticker SLX. The event offers a $200,000 reward pool to participants who meet specific trading criteria. This is a significant move, as Solstice is a relatively newer token gaining attention on the Binance platform. The competition is hosted through Binance Alpha, a platform designed to spotlight emerging tokens and attract traders to them. Binance Alpha is known for hosting early-stage tokens and using competitive events to drive engagement and volume. The $200,000 in rewards is a substantial incentive, and such figures are often used by exchanges to draw attention to specific tokens. In the crypto space, these kinds of events can lead to increased trading activity, at least in the short term. The Solstice token has been linked to this competition, which could mean a temporary boost in visibility and volume for SLX. However, the exact rules of the competition, such as the duration, eligibility, and how rewards are distributed, have not been independently verified. This lack of clarity means that while the event is notable, the impact on Solstice remains uncertain. Binance Alpha's role in this event is important to note. The platform is a key. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Part of Binance's strategy to support and promote new projects. By hosting a competition for Solstice, Binance is signaling that the token is of interest to its user base. This kind of attention from a major exchange can be a strong indicator that a token is being positioned for growth or increased adoption. The competition could also be a way to test market interest in Solstice before a broader listing or expansion. In the past, Binance has used similar tactics to gauge trader sentiment and liquidity for tokens before wider adoption. The $200,000 reward pool is a significant amount, and in the context of crypto trading events, it is on the higher end of what is typically offered. This suggests that Binance sees potential in Solstice and wants to encourage active trading around the token. However, it's important to remember that while these events can drive volume, they don't always result in long-term price appreciation or sustained liquidity. The market's response will depend on how many traders participate and whether the token can maintain that attention beyond the competition period. Another angle to consider is the broader context of competition among exchanges. Binance is not the only platform trying to capture user engagement and market share. Rivals like Coinbase have been expanding into new markets, such as India, with features like direct INR deposits. In this environment, Binance's decision to spotlight Solstice could be a strategic move to retain user interest and keep traders engaged on its platform. The timing of the competition is also worth noting. As exchanges continue to innovate and compete for user attention, events like this are likely to become more frequent. The next signal to watch is whether the competition leads to a measurable increase in Solstice's trading volume and whether that activity translates into broader adoption or most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Sustained interest in the token. If the competition drives significant volume, it could be a sign that traders are taking notice of Solstice and that the token is gaining traction. On the other hand, if the event doesn't generate much activity, it could indicate that the market is not as interested in Solstice as expected. Either way, the event is a clear signal that Binance is positioning Solstice for increased visibility and engagement. For traders and investors already watching the token, this competition could be an opportunity to assess the token's potential and the level of interest from the broader market.